How to get a QR code like this for your YouTube channel? Yes, you are listening right. If you want to get a QR code for your YouTube channel, how you can get? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. In today's video, we're gonna let you know that how you can download or get a QR code for your YouTube channel. So watch the video till the end. Go to YouTube, search your channel, open your channel, click on three dots, click on share and get QR code and save the QR code in camera roll. Voila! Now you can share with anyone whom you want to share. That's the process how you can easily get a QR code for your YouTube channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for getting more videos like this.